Do you need to be able to remove the centre high mounted stop lamp on your Fiesta? Let me show you how it's done. Open the tailgate and remove these two rubber bungs here. I would suggest using a plastic trim removal tool so you don't scratch the paint, but you could always put a bit of tape round a screwdriver. If you look carefully inside the hole, you can see there's a metal clip. Now you need to press a screwdriver on that, and I'll show you the clip again more clearly once we've got it off. With a 4 or a 5mm flat blade screwdriver, and I would suggest using an electrical screwdriver or wrapping some tape round the shaft so that you don't damage the paint. Put the flat blade of the screwdriver inside the notch on the clip and push slightly up and away from you, so in that direction along the axis of the screwdriver. Do that on both clips. Drop the tailgate back down and simply pull the chimsel away from the tailgate. Disconnect the harness by pressing on this little clip, pulling the connector out, and you can disconnect the tube to the washer jet simply by pulling it off. Now that we've got it off the car, I can show you the metal clip, which is here, and you can see the shape of the metal clip, and that little notch there is where you were putting your flat blade screwdriver, and you were pressing down to push this edge closer to the red plastic, because that clips over the body in white. To get the bulb holder out, use your flat screwdriver again, push on this little tab here and then lift away. And to remove the bulb from the bulb holder, just pull it out. The type of bulb is a W16W. I'll link you in the description to this type of bulb on Amazon. Put it back together. Simply slot the bulb in place, put the little tab in there, and then put the locking end into here. Push the grommet back into the light unit, making sure you've got it seated square and in the right orientation, and then push the jet back through into place. To put it back in place, simply reconnect the tube to the washer, the harness to the bulb holder, place the light unit back into the gap in the body in white, push it back in, top edge first, then push down on the bottom edge to clip it back into place. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the other side of that screen sometime soon. Bye for now.